Good morning students. Today we discuss about circulatory system and excretory system of human body. The blood circulatory system or cardiovascular system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels running through the entire body. Its function is to regulate the flow of blood throughout the body and also to deliver nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. The heart is a very strong muscle that works like a pumping machine. Students, in your house, you all are having water pumps that send water from the down level to the upper level. Same in your body, your heart is also working that send blood to the entire body. It is the size of our fist only and has 4 chambers. The blood moves through many tubes called blood vessels. The blood vessels that carry pure oxygenated blood away from the heart are called arteries, and the ones that carry impure deoxygenated blood back to the heart are called veins, and both are connected with capillaries. Students, arteries have thick walls and veins have thin walls. Now circulation of blood. The right side of the heart receives blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. The left side of the heart receives oxygen containing blood from the lungs and pumps it to the body. Students, in this picture you can see right side of the heart and left side of the heart both are connected with lungs and the body. The left side of the heart sends deoxygenated, or we can say carbon dioxide containing blood to right side of the heart, and this blood pumped into lungs for purification. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is sent out of the body through breathing process, and on inhaling a fresh air the oxygen enters the blood, and this process starts again and complete the circulation of blood. Now next is excretory system. In your house you also produce some waste every day, and that waste is also thrown out by your house. Same students, in our body the waste is produced. The waste of the body is thrown out by excretory system. A pair of kidneys, 2 ureters, urinary bladder and urethra perform the function of excretion. Students, we drink water and other fluids every day. These fluids removed by our body as wastewater or urine. Before leaving our body, the urine travels through the urinary tract as shown in picture. What are the parts of excretory system? Students, in this, kidneys are the filtering machine of the body, which are two bean-shaped organs located towards the back of our abdomen, and it filter waste from the blood and produce wastewater. Ureters are 2 thin tubes that take urine from the kidney and gives it to the urinary bladder. Bladder is a sac or a bag that holds urine till we feel the need to go to the toilet or washroom. Urethra is the opening through which urine is passed out from the bladder out of the body. Students, this is the main function of excretory system.